Hello, it's your boy Miguel for the Mobile 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Have a wonderful customer who had an issue with a Walmart battery. With that being said, they were looking all for the receipt and they couldn't find one. But I just want to give you guys some bit of information so you won't be going crazy. Number one, this battery, there's your sticker. All batteries have this sticker somewhere. This was created in March of 2024. That's when the manufacturer actually created the battery. Number two, it has a 3-year battery, so Walmart doesn't have a leg to stand on any if they were arguing. Number three, they're between these two right here, Walmart has already got all this information. They're just going to scan it. Same thing with your TV, any electronic you buy. You don't have to go be looking for any kind of receipts. This is not a bad battery whatsoever. The vehicle just sat a long time, but this is not a bad battery. And also, I'm actually happy to do this video because the second part to this, people can't afford $200 batteries from Amazon, from AutoZone or Rally. This is also, matter of fact, I'm gonna take you to my vehicle. I actually have a Walmart battery in my vehicle. So I'm gonna actually bring you, we're going to my own work vehicle. I don't say absolutely anything that I don't do for myself or I wouldn't tell somebody myself. I've had absolutely no problems with this battery. They're actually good batteries. It's just, it is what it is. The vehicle sat around a lot. As you can see, I have a Walmart battery in my own vehicle. This is not make-believe editing. I have a battery from Walmart in my own vehicle. So we're going to use my battery. That's when it was manufactured. So to understand all this information on the battery, this is the size of the battery that will fit in your car. Don't try to alter it because your car is only made for so much to fit a battery in. Cold cranking amps. It's October and I'm sick, but cold cranking amps, this is what it needs to crank the engine over when it's cold. And this is the cranking amps it needs regardless. Some batteries, this one doesn't have a reserve time on it. I don't see it anywhere, but anyway, the point of the story is I use Walmart batteries myself. They're very inexpensive. They were trying to charge me $200 to get my own battery. I went to Walmart and got one for $99. The quality is just the same. All it is just like your gas. Gas is made from the same refineries. They pick it up. Batteries are made from the same places. They just put a different sticker on it. And this one's a maintenance-free battery, so there is no acid, no water, nothing they could put inside of it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you found any kind of benefit out of this video, please hit that super thanks button. And if you want to see the video a little earlier, just hit the join button. Like I said, I'm a little sick under the weather, but I'm still trying to help customers. Thank you.